Hi people, so today I actually like my outfit. I don't look like a total girl. So what is this? Sauce one. Looks like 5 sauce. Realized it was a girl. Get claustrophobic in here. Holy shit. I feel like I'm gonna legitimately get murdered or something. There are so many creepy people in this place. Oh, alright. People would be crazy. People would be crazy. It scared the shit out of me. Didn't know that was myself. I'm gonna creep on these people.
Oh, we can get ice too someplace. That's a nice thing.
Oopsie daisy. Gay. Lightning. I'm not getting electrocuted. When are we gonna go to surf? Loudest frick. This is like my nightmare. Like too many shirts. I'm gonna like get a panorama, man. Please. Ooh, they're pretty. For me, it was a nightmare for my wallet. I got so much crap. Oh, thank you. Literally all I bought here is clothes.
I bought stuff that I can use.
I bought stuff that I don't need. Except for that sweatshirt. I wanted one of those forever. I'm gonna be like the idiot with the selfie stick.